Hi everyone, it's Genene. Core strengthening isn't just for athletes. It's for anyone who wants to move better in their daily lives. And that's what a stronger core can give you. Today, we have 5 yoga poses that will focus on strengthening our glutes and our low back, integral parts of our core. So let's get started. There are a myriad of different things that we can do to strengthen our glutes and our low back muscles. Today, let's focus on one pose, Utkatasana, done in a very particular manner with tons of different variations. And as you're going through this, focus on the meaning behind the word. When you translate this Utkatasana, it goes and translates something like fierce pose, determined, committed, thinking about your determination and commitment towards a stronger core and the reasons behind why you want that stronger core. And taking that, you don't even need a mat if you don't want to, but come to standing. For today, you can keep your feet hip bone width apart. There's nothing wrong with drawing them together. It's just everything that I'm saying today about our Utkasanas today is to get the glutes and the back involved rather than so much of the quads. Number 1, your arms are going to be by your side for this one, gazing straight ahead. Nice long spine, and then bending your knees, take your hips back. Think about your hips going back, 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 and that takes your knees into a bend, but keep your knees over your ankles, and you might see how this recruits the muscles in your glutes a little more. Inhale here, and it's a nice long inhale, like 5 seconds, and then you're going to exhale, bow forward so that you're parallel to the floor, and hold 5 seconds here, and then you come back up. That was 1, and then you're going to do that 10 times. Pretty simple. Arms by the side is the easiest one. Let's take it up a notch. Inhale for nothing. Exhale. And then you inhale, bring your arms out in front of you this time. As you come into your Utkatasana, you think about bringing those hips back, especially if you're used to the knees going in front of the ankles. And if you play with both of these, you'll notice that your quads take up a lot of the slack here. And we're focusing again on the glutes. And then, of course, you would hold here for 5 seconds, and then bowing forward, sweep your arms down alongside your hips and a little behind you here. You're pulling your belly off of your thighs, and then coming back, and that's 1. And again, doing that 10 times. Number 3, going to be a little different. You're going to focus on keeping your knees in line, and I'll show you why. Come into your Utkatasana first. Arms stay by the sides to start so you can get your form. Now draw your hands together, connect your thumbs with your heart, and then twist over to the right. Hold for 5 seconds, and your elbow may very well not get to your outer thigh. And you'll notice that you really wanted to start drawing that left knee forward, and that's not what we're going for. That's not a twist, that's a turn. And then inhale to center, and you exhale, immediately go over to the left. And then inhale to center. Okay, I snuck in some obliques. Did you notice? And then come to standing, and that's 1 round, and you're going to do 10 of those. Pretty simple, right? Number 4, we're getting into arms overhead now. Knees over the ankles, pelvic floor engaged. Inhale into your Utkatasana, arms overhead, if that's okay for you. And then keeping the arms right there, and you're honoring however high up those arms go. The tight side is the one that wins. Align your more flexible side up with the tight side. Widen your arms apart if you need to, so you're not hunching in the shoulders, you're not crunching your neck. And then you exhale, you bow. 90 degrees, you're holding yourself up here. And after 5 seconds, you come back up and then come to standing. And you're going to do that 10 times. Number 5, choose which version of Utkatasana you want to do because we're holding it. And then lifting the pelvic floor, choose arms overhead, Utkatasana, or arms out in front of you, or arms by your side. Keep those knees back. Feel how the glutes kick on then. And you're holding for 30 to 60 seconds. Let me know in the comments how you're progressing with this core yoga series. If you're looking for a more in-depth yoga series, I invite you to come to my website. There we have full-length yoga classes where we have time to go a lot deeper and get a lot stronger. Next time, take your core strengthening to the next level with a more challenging ab series that again is only 10 minutes long. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Namaste.